Hey everyone, myself Ruchi. Once again, welcome you on your own channel Know It Easy. In this video, we will talk about the disease which is the main cause of premature death. According to World Health Organizations, hypertension or high blood pressure is the main cause of premature death. So, in this video, we will talk about what is hypertension, what is the cause of hypertension, what is the risk factors of hypertension, and how we protect ourselves from hypertension. But before that, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe my channel and also press bell icon to get notifications of our new videos. Now, let's start and first talk about the some key points of hypertension. If you are talking about the key points of hypertension, then the first one is, if we talk about whole world, means worldwide, then approx 1.13 billion people suffer from this disease. According to World Health Organizations, low income country has high risk of hypertension. Example, Africa. In Africa, 27% people suffer from hypertension, but high income country has low risk of hypertension. Example, America. In America, only 18% people suffer from hypertension. Now, if you are talking about other countries, then in Southeast Asia it is 25% and Europe 23%. Now let's talk about the estimated value. According to World Health Organizations, in every 4 men, 1 man is suffer from hypertension. But in every 5 women, 1 woman is suffer from hypertension. These are the some key points of hypertension. But day by day, occurrence of hypertension is increasing globally and estimated 25 to 30% increase in prevalence by 2025, and it is very dangerous for world. Therefore, you will definitely watch this video till the last so that we can get every information related to hypertension and we prevent ourselves from hypertension. So now let's talk about what is blood pressure and how it is important for us. Blood pressure is the force that moves blood through the circulatory system. How it is important? It is very important because it helps to push oxygen and nutrition to circulatory system to nourish tissue and organs. Means it provides nourishment, means nutrition and oxygen to circulatory system to nourish our tissue and organs. Now let's talk about the normal blood pressure. If you are talking about the normal blood pressure, then it is 120/80 and it is helpful for our body. But if this blood pressure is increases from 120/80, it is called high blood pressure or hypertension and it is dangerous for our health. But if this pressure is increases from 120/80, it is known as low blood pressure. Here, hypertension or high blood pressure is also known as silent killer. It is known as silent killer because initially we don't know anything about this disease. Means no symptoms appear. So we need to regular checkup of our blood pressure to know how is your pressure. Now let's talk about the systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Suppose normal blood pressure is equal to 120/80. Here 120 is known as systolic pressure and 18 is known as diastolic pressure. Systolic pressure means amount of pressure developed during heart muscle contraction, means when our heart muscles is contracted and pressure developed, that is known as systolic pressure. But if when heart muscle is between the heartbeat, then the pressure developed, that is known as diastolic pressure. Now let's talk about the importance of systolic and diastolic pressure. Here, suppose if systolic pressure is 120 and diastolic pressure is 80, it is known as normal blood pressure. But if it is increases, means if systolic pressure is between 120 to 139 and diastolic is 80 to 89, it is known as pre-hypertension, means starting of hypertension. If systolic pressure is 140 to 159 and diastolic is 90 to 99, it is known as hypertension stage 1. If systolic pressure is greater than 160 and diastolic pressure is above 100, then it is known as hypertension stage 2. But one hypertension stage that is known as hypertensive crisis, that is if systolic pressure is above 180 and diastolic is 110, then it is very dangerous to our health and it causes many risk factors to our bodies, and which is the main cause of death, and that is stroke, vision loss, heart failure, kidney failure, and lots more diseases, which is very dangerous for our body. Now let's talk about the preventions. What should we do to avoid this disease? That is, what are the ways to avoid this disease, means how we protect ourselves from hypertension. Then the first one is lifestyle changes. By changing lifestyle, we protect ourselves from hypertension. Second, eating healthy diet. What should we need to eat and what should we need to avoid? To manage our blood pressure, we should limit the amount of sodium or salt. But we need to increase potassium in your diet, means by increasing potassium in our diet and decreasing sodium in our diet, we control or manage our blood pressure. Third one is getting regular exercise. Fourth, limiting alcohol. Fifth, no smoking. And sixth one is managing stress. Stress is also the main cause of hypertension or high blood pressure, so we need to manage on that. This is the end of our videos. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and also press bell icon. Thank you.